Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unidentified network or no internet access problem in your PC. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your settings and here type control panel and click the panel here, and after that you can see the network and internet setting. Click that and now go to network and sharing center. And here you can find your connection. Just click the connection option here. And here this window will pop up. Now go to properties. Now here go to Internet Protocol version 4. Click it to open. And make sure that this option is selected. Obtain an IP address automatically. And just click OK. And click OK. Then you check if it solved the problem or not. If this doesn't help you solving the problem, just go to properties again and select Internet Protocol version 4 again. Double click it to open, and now select this use the following IP address. Now I will give you the address. Just type those. Type this following as it is, like this one. Just click it, and now the gateway. And now also click this one and select 1 1 1 1 and select this one again. Just do as I am doing here, and after that, after filling all this, just click OK and check your problem is solved or not. If this doesn't help you solving the problem, now go to change adapter settings here, and here this is the connection I have. Just right click on that connection and select diagnose, and after that the Windows network diagnostic will automatically select your problems, automatically detect your problems. You have to wait for it. And as you can see, troubleshooting cannot find any problem. If the network diagnostic find any problem, just click apply and fix here. There will be an option, and I hope that will help you fix the problem. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.